Good morning, La Follette. It's your principal, Devon LaRosa, here with Matt Thompson.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Principal Thompson along with you today. WLHS The Follette.
For some reason, we're doing this morning in a radio format for no exact reason. We don't know why, but it just made complete sense.
We love it and welcome everybody. We hope you had a great Tuesday. Man, what a start. Big D. Let's recap the day.
Let's recap what happened yesterday. Copy?
Copy that, Principal LaRosa. Here we go. You started with that message. What do you think? Takeaway from your message.
Big takeaway. Hey, ask if you need something. Don't be afraid to reach out to your advisor, your mentor. Just let us know what you need. And also, take care of yourself. It's really important in these times that we take care of ourselves.
We are here for you, La Follette High School. Big man on campus, we then moved into virtual mentoring. That's because we care about you.
Copy that. Virtual mentoring. Basically, we want you to use your mentor just like you would a friend. We want you to reach out if you need something, having trouble getting logged in, need some support. I don't know what my grade is, what's due. Reach out.
That. You're in touch. You're in tune, La Follette High School. We're here for you. Y'all found out about clubs, cool classes, and revisioning the high school.
That's right. We're trying to think of how do we do things different than before? How can we make this place unique? And then we hang on to those things when we come back in person.
And then finally, we think about that neighborhood support meeting. We talked about your neighborhood meeting, who we are, where help you get, where you go. We talked about all the neighborhoods. What do you think, Devon?
Midtown Matt Thompson.
Gotta have it.
I don't know what's happening, but I'm loving this. Loving the radio show.
Loving it. We got to do it. We talked about those neighborhood meetings, Devon, right here. You belong here. We are here for you. You know you belong here. All right, Lancers, here we go. Wednesday, September 9th. Here is the plan. You're going to check out some awesome videos. We got some grading, attendance. What do you say, Devon?
And we're going to talk about culture.
Nice. It's coming up right now. You got to check out that, and you got to check out the cool Lancer Choice Board. Have a great one, La Follette.
Hell's up.
I can stop. I can read all of it.